Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I show you how to make perfect hot Americano. So guys, everybody, first thing first, you all subscribe to my channel, then you can see the more video. I post everyday video you can see. So I start, let's go. Now let's start how to make. Okay, this is a, you can see, I use a 18-gram coffee bean for making hot Americano. So you can see this is a must be perfect. Then now I make it hot Americano. I use the double espresso. This is a double espresso. We use should be double espresso 33 to 35 ml coffee. Then hot water. This is a, you can see bubbles. This is a perfect hot Americano.